Hello guys, it's Dale here with another trading ideas video. Today I'd like to talk about the Euro British Pound. So what you see before you is the Euro British Pound chart. It is a 30-minute time frame. And if you remember, if you watched yesterday's video, then in yesterday's video I was talking about support on the Euro British Pound, and the support was based on those volumes. This was the support, and as you can see, what happened afterwards, there was a sharp rejection of higher prices. Price reversed, went into a strong sell-off and went past that level. So this one turned out to be a losing trade. I expected the price to react there, to go upwards, but it didn't, and it shot past the level with no reaction whatsoever. Now, what I teach in my trading course, in my volume profile trading course, is that when this happens, when the price shoots past your volume-based level, like it wasn't even there, with no reaction at all, then what you want to do is take a reversal trade. Reversal trade means that you trade the same level but from the other side when there is a pullback. So the price went past that level in here, and reversal trade is when you wait for the pullback to this place and go short from there. This is the reversal trade, right? Because first we went long and then we went short from the same level. But the condition is that the price needs to go past that initial level with no reaction at all, or with a very little reaction. Then you wait for the pullback to the same level, enter a reversal position from there. This is how you can make your money from the losing trade back. Alright? So in this case, this is a nice example that illustrates how those reversal trades should be traded. As you can see, there was a beautiful reaction to the level. Usually when there is a heavy volume zone like this one, and the price shoots past that heavy volume zone, it doesn't mean that the level was wrong. It simply means that sellers, in this case there were sellers, pushed through that level with strong determination, and they just pushed through, right? That's why there was no reaction. They just pushed through because they were really strong. But this level still was a strong one, and for that reason, when the level is tested, the sellers defend this level because they know that it is important, right? Even though they pushed through like it wasn't even there, they know that this level is important, or was important in the past, because they were strong buyers here. So they defend it, and that's why there is such a reaction to that reversal trade. So that's about that trade on Euro British Pound. What I want to show you next is a new strong resistance on the Euro British Pound, and that resistance is based on rejection setup, and it is based on this strong rejection that occurred yesterday. This is a strong rejection of higher prices, and what you want to see in such a rejection is a significant volume zone. Like in this case, this was a significant volume zone, right? Such significant volume zone is telling us that strong sellers rejected higher prices, that they started to sell aggressively in here when the buyers were pushing the price upwards, and in here they started to sell. This is the volumes which we see there, and they started to sell, and then they pushed the price aggressively downwards. And this heavy volume zone is very important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there, right? So this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. It is at 0.8705, and this is a strong resistance because the strong sellers from here will want to defend this zone where they placed a lot of their shorts. So this is why the price should react there. So what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback to this level and then take it from there. In this case, you need a bit wider stop loss because this heavy volume zone is also a little bit wider. So what I recommend is having your stop loss in here behind this heavy volume zone. Let me delete all that so you can see it more clearly. I recommend having a stop loss in here behind this heavy volume zone, right? The reason I don't have it in here is that first the price went up first, there was a rejection, and then this little rejection got tested in here with this another swing, right? So this one got tested with this one, and that's why I have the stop in here. Now there's also one thing I wanted to show you here on the Euro British Pound, and the thing is very nice reaction to a trend setup, which is another volume profile setup that I like to trade. Let me zoom it in a bit. The trend setup is when there is a trend like this, and what you trade is significant volume zones. So this is the significant volume zone. It needs to form within a trend, and then you wait for a pullback, you wait for the price to make it back to that heavy volume cluster, to that heavy volume zone, and you trade from there. So this is the pullback, and this is the reaction to it, to this heavy volume zone, right? This is the trend setup, another one of my favorite volume profile setups that I teach in my volume profile trading course. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is clicking this button, which says Trading Course and Tools. So let me click that. It will take you to this page. So scroll down a bit. And what I recommend getting is the Elite Pack. It's a recommended training pack where I'll teach you how to trade with volume profile in a video course. That's a 15-hour-long video course. I'll also provide you with my personal trading levels. Those are day trading levels and swing trading levels. You will also get volume profile pack, which is pack of my volume profile indicators that I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform and also for MetaTrader platform. And you will also get a couple of bonuses. Now in here, there's a video which you can watch that will show you in detail what exactly are you going to get with the Elite Pack, right? So this is the recommended training pack if you want to learn how to trade with volume profile. And one more thing before I wrap this video up, what I'd like you to check out is the investing course in here. You click this button, and in here there's a video that will show you everything that's included in the stock investing course. Now, this is a brand new course, and because I've just released a book which covers the same topic as this course, I decided to offer you a discount on this course. So if you scroll down a bit, you can now get this stock investing course for $397 instead of $799. Right? This is just a time limited offer as a little celebration of the new book coming out. So if you are interested in investing, and I think that you really should be interested in investing given all those things that are happening around us right now, then I think that this is really your next best step. All right, so that's the stock investing pack and also the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.